Hello great minds, welcome to this tutorial video. In today's video I'll be walking you through the KineMaster interface and how to use the KineMaster to edit your video. Alright, so this is an introduction to KineMaster. So the KineMaster is a very popular app for video editing. It is more of an advanced app which you can use to do so much tricks on your video. You can use the KineMaster app to remove video backgrounds. You can use it to clone yourself in a video. You can use KineMaster to animate your text, images and video. You can use KineMaster to do so much. You can even use KineMaster to record videos. Alright, so KineMaster is multi-purpose. Alright, and it gives you lots of its features for free. So even with the free version you can do a lot with KineMaster. So you can just get KineMaster on Play Store. There's also the modded KineMaster app that gives you access to all the premium features permanently for free, but not all of them work so well. So if you get the one that works well for you, good and fine, you can use it to create awesome videos. So after this tutorial video, you'll be able to master the KineMaster interface. You'll be able to know how to use the tools on KineMaster and how to generate your video to your phone gallery. So this is going to be a complete walkthrough on KineMaster. It's going to show you all the things, how to navigate the KineMaster app and create your video. So this is the KineMaster interface. When you open up the KineMaster, this is where you probably arrive. So to start creating video or to go to the KineMaster work page where you start editing your video, you just tap on the plus sign right here, this circle plus sign here. Alright, so just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's gonna ask you to select the aspect ratio. So the three most popular aspect ratio are available here, and so this is for YouTube size 16:9. This is for screen record. So if you are recording your screen, this is your complete full screen record. Alright, 9:16, and this is Instagram size. So I'll just go with the YouTube size 16:9. This is the landscape. Alright, so I'll just choose it. So when I tap on it, sometimes some KineMaster app will ask you to select a media before arriving at this point. Some will also just arrive at this point, and from here you can also select a media. If it asks you to select a media, it means you just have to pick the stuff you want to edit on KineMaster, either images, videos, or just a background, right? But now we don't have anything on this work page. All right, so we need to add a media to the work page. So I'll just click on media. You can see media right here. So I'll just tap on media. So this is what I said earlier. Sometimes it will take you to this point where you have to choose the media before arriving at the work page. So the first one here is see backgrounds. They have lots of background you can choose. If you want to add background before bringing your video, you can just add the background here. So favorites is the ones you favorited, the ones you like, so you can favorite them and it will be there. Then the cloud storage, you want to import from cloud like Google Drive. So then the rest are the ones that are on your phone, right? Like this is picture screenshot, export, KineMaster, the ones I've created with KineMaster, right? Canva, camera, Zepeto. So let me just pick something. So let me just pick this guy. So when you pick on it, it might bring out the write-up like this. Just click on OK. So we now have the video on the work page. So if you want to add more than one media, you can just tap on any other one you want to add. You can leave the animation folder, then you go to any other folder on your phone and pick what you want to add again. But let's just go with this one. So you can just click on the good sign to confirm that you are done. Alright, so now we are on the work page, and you can see we now have that video showing here, right? So initially nothing was showing, it was blank. So now we have arrived at the KineMaster work page. So if you check your right side, you see some tools you can use to work on the video. If you check your left side, there are also some tools available there. So there are all the features you can use to work on your video. Now if you tap the video, it's going to bring out other tools you can use to edit the video, right? So let me tap on the video. You see it has automatically brought out these tools I can use to edit this video right now. Okay, so let me untap. So this is just the normal interface. Now at the right side you can see media, where we tap on to bring this video. So you can still tap on the media to add something else to this video, right? So you can add your intro, you can add your outro. If you omitted something, you can bring it using media, right? So this is audio. You can tap on audio to bring in music from your phone gallery, or you choose from KineMaster store. All right, KineMaster store, they have some music you can use. And this is voice, if you want to record your voice. This is layer, where you can click on to bring something and add on the video. You can add your logo, so it'll be showing on the video, right? So you can use it to bring a text too. So at the middle you can see the middle with red and white circle. So you can tap on that spot to record a video. You can also use it to take a picture, right? So when you tap on this spot, you can use it to do that. Now this one is where you click on to play the video. So you can click on that spot to play the video. Then we'll have this one. This one is KineMaster store, where you can download some stuff. So not everything will be available on KineMaster once you download it. Some you have to download from their store. Alright, so at the left side here you can see the undo sign, and this is redo. Right, this is share. When you are done, you can click on share to export. This one you can use it to fade the beginning or ending part of the video, or the music playing on the video. Right, so you can use that to do that. And you can use this one to have a clearer picture of what is showing on the screen, or the layers you've added. So you can, if you want these layers right here to show this way, to show at this spot, you can take it to this point with the help of this particular tool. All right, you can use it to do that. But if you want to go to the ending part of the video without having to scroll, you can just click on this spot, right? You can just click on that spot and it take you to the ending part of the video. You can see the one at the top right side, right? So you can use it to also save your video when you are done editing. So understanding how these tools, what you can use these tools to do, if you have your video, you know where to click on to get what you want. All right, so even though you forget any, you can just click on any one. You will see the instruction. If you try it on your video, you see the effect it will have on your video. You can always undo what you've done, right? So now let me tap on the video. You see these tools right here. So this is to cut your video, or trim your video, or to split your video. This is cropping. All right, this is volume, and this is the video we've added at the top right side here. And you can see the aspect ratio and the video length there. So this is clip graphics. You can add a kind of graphics to the video, something else that will be showing on the background of the video, right? So speed control, that the one we just mentioned is clip graphics. Next is speed control. So you can adjust the speed of the video. So rotate and mirroring, the names are self-explanatory. You can rotate the video, mirroring kind of upside down. Then we have the color filter. You know what you can use color filter to do. Then color adjustment, you can use it to adjust the color of the video, increase or decrease. Then the color filter is to kind of add the different color to the video. Then volume envelope. Volume envelope is used to edit the audio of the video, or the one you have on the video, or the audio, external audio you can add to the video. So you can use it to make a zigzag of it. It works this way. Maybe you can increase some parts so the song will play loud, then you decrease it, increase and decrease. All right, So it's a kind of zigzag. So you can see the icon there, it has a zigzag signal for the music. So that's what it also does. So the audio filter, you can use it to change the audio. You can add a different audio. You can add manly voice, you can add alien, you can add monster, you can change the voice altogether, right? So, and we have the vignette, so you can use to add a kind of darkness to the video. So you see what it does to the video now. It has darkened some part of the video, right? So this one, if you want, you can use it to change the view of these tools. All right, so you can tap on this board to change it to this way, but this is how it is originally. So I hope we are now good with the tools. Now when you start bringing in things, anything you bring on KineMaster, it has different tools you can use to work on it, right? If you add a layer, if you add a text, you see the tools you use. So if I click on layer right now, you can see you can add media, you can add effect, you can add overlay, you can add text, you can do a handwriting. So let me quickly bring a media so you see how it works. So I can pick a media. I can just pick something. Let me say I want to add logo, so I can use my hand to adjust and take it to where I want to position it. So now that I've added this logo, right, you will see the tools I can use. So I can use my hand to adjust it to the beginning part of the video, right? So when I tap on this image that I just added, which is my logo, you can see the tools I can use to edit the image. I can add in animation, overall animation, out animation. I can crop, I can rotate. So you see cropping, opacity, color filter, blending. So blending is written premium, right? But when you tap on it, you can also use the two, right? If you are using premium, the premium version, or if you are using the modded app, some might write premium, but when you tap on it, you'll still be able to make use of the tools. So in animation is just how the image is going to appear first. Out animation is how it's going to disappear at the ending part of the video, right? So there are a lot of them you can add. Then overall animation is just the overall, just as the name applies, overall, right? If you want it to be blinking, this is how it's going to be doing. All right, so it's going to happen all through the video, right? So but for in animation, it's just how you want it to okay, let's slide up, right? So you see spin, so you can also adjust the speed. So this is, you can also do same for out animation, right? You can also do drop, scale down. All right, so you see there are lots of them. So let me just to show you how these tools works. So you can also add a text. You can also add a text, right? So if you want to subtitle your video, or you want to kind of write something out, you can use text to write what you want to write. So now the opacity, the color filter, color adjustment, now you see them, you can use it to work on this image I've just added. Now let's say you omitted something. Let's say you want to bring in your intro video. You want to add intro video, you can just click on media, right? So let's now you see we are not adding as a layer. You know, this image we added it as a layer. Now we want to add an intro as a media, so you don't add it as a layer, add it as a media, right? So I'm going to go to my intro maker folder and just bring this. So now you see this demarcation. So this is the beginning part of the video. Because after the video, the next one just started, right? But if you want to add a transition which will make it look more professional, more interesting to view, you can just click on this demarcation right here, right? That white indicator. When you tap on it, it's going to automatically take you to the transitions available, which you can just choose from, right? So there are a lot of them. You can choose from. Or you have presentation. So you have some that are good for presentation, right? So when I've just selected one. So let's play it and see how it goes. Alright, so that is for presentation. You can say choose something else. If it doesn't match, you can just flex around with them and see what match, right? So you can equally adjust the speed of this one. Maybe you want it to be faster. You know, intros are supposed to be very short, so you can adjust the speed here. So you can just adjust it to something that will make it a bit faster. All right, so you click on, so when you've done that, just click on the good sign at the right side. It will now take you back to the work page. Now let's play it. You see that it's going to be faster, right? So I've showed you how to use layer, right? So when you know what tools that are available on KineMaster and what you can use KineMaster to do, you know exactly what you can create with KineMaster. So by the time you are coming to KineMaster to do your work, you already know what you intend to achieve. All right, you have an analog of where you want to arrive. Different video editing apps have different tools, right? The tools that are on KineMaster, they are more advanced than the ones on Inshot. All right, but Inshot also have some few tools that KineMaster may not do very well, but KineMaster have more of those tools that Inshot doesn't have. There's also this one called Capcut, right? Capcut has its own special features too, which may be lacking on KineMaster and Inshot. So when you know which app that will give you what you want, you now decide where to get your video edited, right? So some video editing can also take you through Inshot, KineMaster and Capcut just to make sure you get the perfect video you want. I can use Inshot for fast trimming and splitting. Then I can use KineMaster to remove the video background or do some trick. Then I can use if I want to add subtitles and I don't want to spend time adding it manually, I can just use Capcut to automatically add subtitles to the video. So I'll also do a tutorial video on Capcut, and our next tutorial videos will be on how to use these three apps and more of other video editing apps to edit videos, right? So but if you pay attention to even this particular video, I'm sure you can be able to edit your video using KineMaster, right? Whatever you are introducing, it has the tools you can use to work on it. If you're introducing a video that you are to remove the background, all right, you will see the chroma key which you can use to remove the background, right? So like for this, the chroma key was supposed to be here, but since it doesn't have the green effect, the chroma key is not here, right? But now let me introduce one with green screen, right? So let me just pick one of these from Zepeto. So I've just chosen it. You see the chroma key has just appeared, all right? And with the chroma key, you can just automatically remove the background, all right? So whatever you're introducing to KineMaster, it has the special tools you can use to work on it, right? So that is why KineMaster is more advanced than other video editing tools. But when you master it, you can do awesome stuff with KineMaster. So this is just an introduction. In our subsequent videos, we'll start creating videos with KineMaster and you understand better how it works, right? So but let me just delete, right? So now when you are done editing your video, you just click on the share icon right here and it's going to save your video, all right? Just click on the share icon, you will be able to save your video. So if you tap on it, you take it to this spot where you can export your video, right? You can see resolution and frame rate. So this is just to give you details of what video you are about to export. This is resolution, this is frame rate, and this is bitrate represented by Mbps, all right? So bitrate is based on video resolution and quality. So you can adjust the resolution, right? You can adjust the resolution from 1080 pixel to about 360 here. they're available. You can choose anyone, right? So if even though you leave it at 1080, you can still compress it later using a different app. Or if you don't want to compress, you can just go to the lower one. As you are adjusting it, you will see the required MB will be appearing here. So the size of the video will appear there. So if you are good, you just click on export and your video will be saved to your phone gallery. So when I tap on it, you start exporting the video. So depending on the video length, some might take more time to export, some will just export as fast as this is exported because it's just a short video. Right, so this is how to edit video on KineMaster. This is just an intro to KineMaster. In our subsequent tutorial, we'll start doing some specific video editing on KineMaster, right? So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. On this channel, I create tutorial videos on high income skills aimed at helping you to maximize your online presence and turn your smartphone into an income channel. So if that is an area of your interest, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you won't be missing out on my next video. And also give this video a like, give it a like so that more people are going to find this video and also get value from it.